So this is the inside of the oven in my apartment. You see the fan is sort of spinning and sort of spewing smoke. It's turned off. It's been turned off for a week. But there's a bit of an electrical failure here. You can actually, the camera won't pick it up, but the sparks down there. And I don't know how long it's going to be before it's replaced, so I need to find a solution to this. This is a shaded pole motor, so it has one coil that's detached from all the moving parts. There's no brushes or anything, and everything's fine apart from this coil, which is insulated wire, and this insulated bobbin have both failed. So when it's plugged in, mains electricity comes in here, unswitched, straight from the mains, through the windings, and when it gets to the middle, it's arcing across to ground on here, and it gets quite toasty, and it smokes and smells. The motor works fine, it's just the insulation that's failed, and I've been without an oven for a week now, so let's do something about it. This coil needs 240 volts. If we connect it to the mains, it arcs to ground. We could remove the ground from the oven, but then the whole oven would be live, so let's remove the ground from the power instead. Okay, the fan's now running. It's cool, it's not sparking, and it's not smoking, which is quite important. The oven chassis is still earthed. That's fine, it's still plugged into the mains, it's turned off at the moment. But the cooling fan is powered by 240 volts. That's not mains. So this isolating transformer will take mains in on that side, 240 volts in, 240 volts out. This side is referenced to earth, but this side isn't referenced to earth, so that's just 240 volts floating at that point, which means it won't arc to ground, which means I can cook tea, which is great because I'm hungry.